let's talk about something exciting today, because this one has been getting a lot of attention. Imagine holding a tiny drone in your hand that's packed with professional-level power. That's what the DJI Mini 5 Pro is aiming to deliver. And before we dive deep, let me ask you this: what if a drone that fits in your backpack could shoot cinematic footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood production? Stick around, because this little drone might just surprise you. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we break down the latest tech in simple, honest language. Flying the DJI Mini 5 Pro feels like stepping into a new level of control and creativity. The drone handles beautifully in the air, and stability is on another level compared to earlier models. You feel confident flying even in breezier conditions, something that usually makes small drones struggle. With upgraded flight sensors, the Mini 5 Pro avoids obstacles with smoother precision. And this adds peace of mind for both casual pilots and pros who want reliability when capturing important shots. When you're in the air, the first thing that really impresses is the camera. DJI has gone all in with a sensor that punches far above its size. The shots are clear, crisp, and packed with detail. Even low-light performance is noticeably better, making sunrise or sunset flights more cinematic. Colors look natural, but still pop enough to give your footage that professional polish. And with HDR video capabilities, bright skies and dark shadows are handled with balance, giving a dynamic look without you needing to spend hours editing. Video stability is another area where this drone shines. The gimbal system makes every shot look smooth, even when you're flying fast or making quick turns. It's like having a professional Steadicam in the sky. And for creators who like experimenting new shooting modes and tracking features, give you more freedom to capture unique angles without complicated setup. Now let's talk about portability, because that's one of the biggest selling points. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is still ultra lightweight, keeping it under that 250-gram category. This means fewer restrictions in many regions and easier travel. You can slip it into a small case or even a backpack pocket without feeling weighed down. It's designed to be the drone you can always bring with you, and that makes it a true companion for creators on the go. Performance in terms of range and transmission has also been pushed further. The live feed is sharper and more reliable, with fewer interruptions. This gives you confidence to fly further while still seeing exactly what your drone sees in high quality. Battery life has also been improved, letting you stay in the air longer before needing a recharge. For travel vloggers or outdoor adventurers, that's a big win, because it means more time capturing and less time swapping batteries. The software experience is smooth and beginner-friendly, but also rich enough for advanced pilots. The Companion app has improved editing tools and quick share features, so you can shoot, edit, and post without having to sit at a computer. Smart flight modes like Active Track and automated cinematic shots also make it simple to create content that looks professional without much effort. On the audio side, while drones are naturally noisy in flight, DJI has worked on reducing propeller noise compared to earlier generations. This makes the flying experience a little less distracting, especially when you're around people or wildlife. Connectivity is strong with the latest wireless protocols, giving you responsive controls and stable video feeds. The remote controller has also been refined for comfort and ease of use, making long flying sessions more enjoyable. Now, let's touch on price and value. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not the cheapest mini drone on the market, but it packs a lot of pro-level features into a lightweight body. You're essentially getting flagship performance in a travel-friendly package. For beginners, it might feel like an investment, but for creators who want serious results without carrying a heavy setup, it's worth every cent. Of course, no device is perfect. Compact size means you still won't match the absolute power of larger drones in extreme weather, and if you're constantly shooting for professional film productions, you might need the bigger siblings. But as an all-around tool for content creation, travel, and everyday creativity, the Mini 5 Pro finds a near-perfect balance. So the final verdict? The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes portability and pushes it into professional territory. It's light, easy to carry, packed with intelligent features, and delivers stunning image quality. Whether you're a beginner looking to step up your game or a seasoned creator who wants a reliable travel drone. This one ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we keep tech reviews simple and real. Don't forget to subscribe. For more deep dives into the latest gear, see you in the next one.